bonjour, welcome to this YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel, I will be sharing French lessons for French lovers. So today we will see the numbers from 6 to 10. I will be explaining you the English number and its pronunciation in French. So let's begin. So the number 6 is pronounced in French as C. Even if the spelling is same as English, the pronunciation is C. Number 7 is pronounced as sept. Sept. Number 8 is pronounced as huit. Huit. Look at the spelling and pay attention. Even if the spelling is huit, we are going to pronounce it as huit. Number 9 is pronounced as neuf. Neuf. Number 10 will be pronounced as dees. Dees. So let's begin with 6 to 10 numbers once again. 6 C, 7 sept, 8 huit, 9 neuf, 10 dip. 10 is pronounced as dees. So we will practice 6 to 10 numbers one more time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C, sept, huit, neuf and dees. We will try to pronounce this number in reverse order. Repeat with me. Dees, neuf, huit, sept and sees. Means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Dees, neuf, huit, sept and see. So thank you. Au revoir.